everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbisani. Hope you are doing great. See, first of all, there are the facilities to talk to me directly by booking the call, or you can join the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 for the latest discussion regarding the revised cutoff and the other scenarios which is going on in the different states of India, that too regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. If you haven't joined that group, you can join that group either by drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen as a sweet gesture. Ask for the link, register yourself, and then join in just 5 minutes. Now, why I am repeating this in the beginning? Not for the promotion, but to tell you the best possible way by which you can contact me directly. Instead of calling me continuously on the Instagram, or if you are having my WhatsApp number and that too our official WhatsApp number, and you try to call it again and again and drop the message again and again. See, till the time you haven't take the paid services of the WhatsApp guidance or the call booking, or you are not in the group of the NEET MDS 2023 counseling group, which is the WhatsApp group, definitely the paid WhatsApp group, you can be the part of the discussion which is going on daily, or the part of that particular WhatsApp group. So by doing any other means like calling continuously on the official WhatsApp number, or by dropping the excessive of the message or the continuous call on the Instagram, will definitely not result in response to you. That means you will not get any answer in return. So please don't do such activities, because that will hurt me only. That if there is a free way to contact me, then why you are not doing that instead of doing all these things, right? Already there are 200 plus students already connected in that group. They got the seat. They are the part of discussion. They are happy, and definitely the review is also shared everywhere regarding that. Now back to the topic. Today's topic is very important, and that is related to the breaking news of the day. This cutoff for the NEET PG 2023 or the NEET MDS 2023. See, today is the 1st September 2023, and I am fabricating this video today only because in the morning I got to know something which is very important regarding the latest info related to the revised cutoff of NEET MDS 2023. Already I had a discussion in my WhatsApp group, but still I told you that I am here to give you the proper guidance. In return, I just want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button to this video, and share my videos as much possible for you as you can. Why revised cutoff is not there, why it is getting delayed, what's the matter, what's the issue. We need to see the previous criteria which is going on in the NEET MDS 2023 counseling this year only. So it's my humble request that you can watch this video till the end. Moreover, first of all, we need to understand that revised cutoff come when, and it depend upon which factors, which are very important for you as an aspirant to know. No matter you are a NEET MDS 2023 aspirant or the NEET PG 2023 aspirant, you should know first. So revised cutoff usually come with the result of the All India MCC round 2. If we see the previous year patterns, definitely once we got the result of All India MCC round 2, after that result we got the revised cutoff in our hand. Now what does the revised cutoff depend upon? Revised cutoff is usually depend upon the number of vacant seats in all over India, in the states, everywhere, right? In that particular branch like MDS or the PG. The vacant seats, they release the revised cutoff. Now what happened in this year, in this scenario, that is 2023, they changed the rule of the counseling in both, in NEET MDS 2023 as well as the NEET PG 2023. There is one rule. While the rule has changed completely and revised again, I have already told in my previous video also, if you haven't checked out the revised rules of the MCC counseling, that too related to the NEET PG 2023 counseling, or the NEET MBS 2023 counseling, don't forget to watch this video till the end. I will definitely put that link of this video in the I button as well as in the description of this video. Revised and completely changed. There is one thing, that there is the 2 steps of the upgradation facility available for a particular student. Now what does that mean? That means suppose I am a student and I got a seat, let's say in All India MCC round 1. Right? I got a seat, let's say periodontology in some GDC Ahmedabad, right? And I don't happy with that seat. I'm not satisfied with that seat. Even though I know I don't like that seat, I'll submit my first year fees and submit my documents and I'll sit in the upgradation in the second round. Now there is again 2 possibilities. Either my seat is upgraded or my seat is not upgraded. Imagine a situation that my seat is not upgraded in the round 2. Then what else I can do? I can switch over to the round 3 for the upgradation again, because there is the facility of the 2 times upgradation facility of a particular seat, and that to a particular one student, right? So till now, like till round 3, I have booked my previous GDC Ahmedabad periodontology seat, and still I want to upgrade my seat to get a better branch like OS, like ortho, prosto, endo, or so whatsoever, right? So this results in seat blocking. Now this not only occur in the MCC round or in All India round, it occurs everywhere in every state. Suppose I blocked the seat in All India MCC round 1 and I got a seat in state. So I moved to the state seat, I confirm it because I got that upgraded seat, right? So I'll show my, suppose let's say in Uttar Pradesh I got a oral surgery, right? And earlier I have a GDC Ahmedabad periodontology and my dream branch is oral surgery. Suppose in Uttar Pradesh I got a oral surgery in some private college, but my dream branch is oral surgery. So I just take that allotment letter of that particular state and that particular seat of oral surgery and reach to my previous college and said them that I want to cancel my seat in GDC Ahmedabad of periodontology because I got my dream branch in UP private college, that is oral surgery, right? And this might take place till round 2, round 3. So this results in the seat blocking not only in All India MCC, it's carried out everywhere in all the state counseling. Either the student block the All India MCC seat, or they block some state round 1 seat or the state round 2 seat. This is the main scenario that till now the round 2 has already released their final result of All India MCC round 2 in case of the NEET MDS 2023, and after that, if we see the pattern like previous year onwards, like from till the previous year, we are not having any revised cutoffs, because right now no one knows that how many vacant seats are there because of the holding back of the seat, and that too till for the next 2 rounds there is the seat blocking in each and every states. That's why we can't have the vacant seats right now, and that's why the revised cutoff is get delayed. Now today morning I got one just info while just doing the Google search and something like that. I came to know that a very renowned site released the information tentatively that the revised cutoff may release after the mop-up round, which is the 3rd round. Now they haven't cleared it whether it is the state mop-up round or whether it is the All India MCC round 3 mop-up round, which round. They simply say this statement which is shown on your screen. Now if we do the analysis of this, that why they are saying this, the reason behind is the seat blocking only, which I came to know after doing all the analysis and search by my team, right? In the beginning of the changing of the rules, I have already told you that seat blocking will be the main factor. Now, if let's imagine that the revised cutoff will come after the mop-up round, let's say All India MCC round 3 mop-up round is complete, or let's say even the state mop-up round is complete, we are left with the stray vacancy round. Definitely very less seats and the management seats or the NRI seats are left, as we can think of stray vacancy round, very few seats are available. So now you need to fight for the stray vacancy round, and that too for the MDS course. So this is the dilemma. This is the worst situation that you can ever dream of. That till the round 3 there is no vacancies, no revised cutoff, and even the chances that the revised cutoff may be down very lower, like it will down very less. Let's say 5 marks, 10 marks, 15 marks, 20 marks, not lower than 100 marks down or 50, 60 marks down or something like that. So even though we can see and imagine a situation, do the calculation, and even can come across that the revised cutoff will be revised, right now after seeing this on the social media and through internet and everything, there is one question that comes to my mind. What happen if the revised cutoff come after the all mop-up rounds? Then what will happen? Then definitely we are left with the very, very less seats. And on the other hand, within 2 years, after 2 years, the NEET MDS examination got changed by the next exam. Regarding that, the video is coming just after that. Regarding the next exam for the dental students, nearly about tentatively we come across to know that the NMC has released the bill, and the chances to be implemented is after the 2 years. That means in 2026. So nearly within 2 years, either you need to take the admission in MDS course, or you need to face with the new pattern, new scenario of the next exam. So this is a dilemma situation right now, but still we are on the fastest mode to search out and get the best info for you regarding everything that you have asked for. That's all about today's video regarding the revised cutoff and the latest situation. Please get mentally prepared, like if the revised cutoff come after the mop-up round of all the states or mop-up round of all India MCC, then what will be your next plan to get the MDS seat? Either by hook or crook, you need to either just go for the MDS seat, fight for the remaining MDS seats, or you need to choose some other plan also. So just think about it, and don't forget to discuss your plans. If you need any guidance, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, book the call and talk to me, or be the part of the discussion by joining the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Moreover, the latest updates are definitely there. It is the fastest mode of sharing the information regarding the NEET MDS counseling. More round state counseling dates has been revised in case of Haryana, Maharashtra. So don't forget to check out all those things which are already there as an informative thing in the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Thank you.